how to set the volume button in camera to zoom in or out on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app and then tap on the control button. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on shooting methods. At the top, tap on press volume buttons too. From the list, make sure you select zoom in or zoom out. Then we go back to the camera. Here, now we can press on the volume button to zoom out or zoom in. You can press and hold onto the button to quickly zoom in or zoom out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.